Hi, second graders. This is Miss Linder. Today is Tuesday, and for our science lesson, we are going to be comparing the life cycles of birds and insects. For birds, we talked about chicken, the life cycle of a chicken. We talked about this prior to spring break, so I'll review shortly about the life cycle of a chicken. So we begin with our eggs, which then goes into a hatchling, and then we have some little baby chicks. And then we move into the adult span, which is a rooster or a hen, and the cycle repeats itself. And then yesterday on Monday, we talked about the butterfly life cycle, 4 different parts of the life cycle. First start as eggs, then we go into the caterpillar, the pupa, and finally we have a beautiful butterfly. The life cycle of butterfly is also called metamorphosis. So it's a transformation from eggs to caterpillar to the beautiful butterfly. It's transitioning to a new life form. So if you don't remember a lot about the butterfly life cycle, you can go back to the slides from yesterday and you can review any of the videos or the text about the life cycle of a butterfly. For our activity today, we are going to be comparing those 2 life cycles with a Venn diagram. The Venn diagram is 2 circles with part of them meeting in the middle. So we'll have birds on one side, just what the bird has. On the other side, just what the insects have or the butterflies have. And then in the middle, what do they both have in common? What do they both have that are the same? So you can draw this on a piece of paper. If you have your own packet, you can write it on the packet. When you are done filling out the Venn diagram completely, make sure you are taking a picture. You are sending it to your teacher to verify your work. All your teachers want to see the great work you're doing. You can send it either email, Class Dojo, or Parent Square. If you have any questions, also please reach out to any of us, and have a good day.